Hello everybody, a very good morning to each and everyone. Today we are going to start standard 6. Subject is English grammar. Chapter number 8, articles. O and and the are the articles, and they are used with nouns. They are used to point out things, people, animals and places. Okay, so articles, what do you mean by articles and which are the articles? O, n and the are the articles, and they are used with the nouns. Okay, and they are used to point out things, people, animals and places. For example, first, the bicycle that my dad gave me is red in color. Okay, the bicycle that my father gave me is red in color. So the bicycle. Then B number, he gave me a book to read. Okay, so a book to read, he gave me a book to read. So there are some features. A, n and the are articles and come before nouns. Okay, so articles come before nouns. Now types of articles, there are two kinds of articles. There are two types of articles: indefinite article, definite articles. Indefinite article, a and n are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular person or thing. They always suggest any person or anything. For example, give me an apple to eat. So here the speaker wants any apple. Okay, so that is why it is indefinite article. Again, I would like to repeat that o and n are indefinite articles because they do not point at any particular person or thing. They always suggest any person or anything. Okay, now features. Indefinite article do not point at any particular person, thing or animal. They come before singular common nouns. Okay, when they come before singular common nouns. Now first one, a is used before a singular countable noun and begins with a consonant sound. For example, a man, a baby, a European, a university. Though European begins with E and university begins with U respectively, they begins with the consonant sound U. Okay, why U? Now second one, n is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an American, an hour, an MP. Though our begins with the consonant H, it begins with a vowel sound since H remains silent. In MP, the word begins with the vowel sound E. Since we pronounce MP as MP, right? EMPP. Now, uses of O and N. O and N are used. First one, to indicate one person or thing, may be used for anything or person. For example, a puppy. A puppy came running towards me. A single puppy is the subject of the sentence. Okay. Second number, to show a kind, a class or a species. For example, I have a bonsai tree. I have a bonsai tree. Now here, a bonsai refers to a species of species of tree. Third number, to show a certain quantity. To show a certain quantity. For example, there are a dozen oranges. There are a dozen oranges. So quantity, okay. For showing a certain quantity, we can also use a. Then fourth number, to show profession, rank, caste, community, religion of a person. For example, a number, he is a general. He is a general. And B number, he is a Christian. Okay. Now let's check out page number 45. Filling the blanks. Exercise number A. Filling the blanks with the correct article. First one, Lucy Gray was a little girl. Answer is A. Second number, it will take us an hour to reach Jaipur. Third number, he considers himself an alien in the television industry. Fourth number, she wants to study in a university in New Delhi. 5 number, my aim is to become an engineer. 6 number, though a European by birth, Joy always considers himself Indian. 7 number, our principal is an honorable person. 8 number, Shane Weston is an Australian cricketer. 9 number, you had a lot of time to complete the exercise. 10 number, give me a 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now definite article. The is the definite article which indicates a particular object, thing or person. For example, the book that you gave me was interesting. So the book, okay, the book that you gave me was interesting. Here the speaker is talking about the particular book that was given to him or her, and this is indicated by the placed before the noun book. Okay, now features. What are the features of it? The definite articles. What are the features? The definite article the indicates the particular thing, object or person. Then it can come before both singular and plural nouns. Now uses of the is used. First one, before any noun, when we went to particularize it. Before any noun, when we want to particularize it. For example, we lost the game against Delhi Daredevils. Here the speaker is talking about not any game, but the game that his team played against the Delhi Daredevils. For example, the doctor, the chair. Second number, before superlatives. For example, first, Three Idiots was the best movie of 2010. B number, Venus is the hottest planet. in the solar system. Third number, before words like first, last, next, only. For example, Sir Edmund Hillary was the first person to climb Mount Everest. Fourth number, before a common noun when that noun represents the whole class. For example, the tiger belongs to the cat family. The tiger belongs to the cat family. 5 number, before the names of. First one, newspapers, The Times of India. Second, unique things, the sun, the moon, the sky. Third number, geographical proper nouns. For example, the Ganges, the Alps. Fourth number, holy or great books. For example, the Gita, the Bible, the Odyssey, the Quran. However, when we mention the author's name, we omit the and write Homer's Odyssey instead of Homer's the Odyssey. Okay. 5 number, trains, ships, aeroplanes, the Taj Mahal, the Taj Express, the Rajdhani Express. Okay. Now let's check out page number 46. Six number, well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Gate, the India Gate. Yeah. So 7 number, countries. If it contains a common noun, the United Arab Emirates. 8 number, the directions, the north, the south. 9 number, the whole families, the royal, the khans. Now B number, exercise number B, insert the definite article the wherever necessary. First one, I bought a cycle for you. The cycle is red in color. Okay, so here we have to add the cycle is red in color. Okay. Then second number, the Times of India is an Indian newspaper. So we have to write down in front of the name or in front of the noun, the Times of India is an Indian newspaper. Okay. Next, third number, Homer's Iliad is a well-known epic poem. So there is no need to write down anything as it is written apostrophe, right? Homer's. So that is why there is no need to write down any kind of definite article over there. Fourth number, the Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. The Taj Mahal is in Uttar Pradesh. Next, 5 number, the deer is a timid creature. The deer is a timid creature. 6 number, I am currently reading the 9th chapter of the book. I am reading. 6 number, I am currently reading the 9th chapter of the book. 7 number, the giraffe is the tallest creature on the earth. 8 number, I returned your book that you gave me last week. So there is no need to write down any kind of definite article. Now omission of articles means the articles will not come over there. So articles are not used first before proper nouns. Okay, so before proper nouns, article we will not put over there. So Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. Okay, so Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer. There we will not put any kind of article. Then Mumbai is in Maharashtra. Here Sachin and Mumbai are proper nouns, hence the is not used. Okay, then second number, before abstract nouns, honesty is the rare quality. Okay, so there. Third number, before material nouns such as gold, silver, water. Gold is a precious metal. We cannot survive without water. But we also say the water in the jug is chilled. Here, article the has been used because we are talking about particular water, right? In the jug. Okay. Now, exceptions. What are the exceptions over here? Whenever any kind of noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article the before it. For example, the honesty of the young man impressed the interviewer. Here, honesty is not generalized, as it did not previous example. The example talks about the particular quality, that is honesty, of a particular young man, hence the is used before honesty. So second number, the gold is the gold that we purchased yesterday has been kept in the bank locker. Again I repeat, the gold that we purchased yesterday that has been kept in the bank locker. So here the is used before the material noun gold, since the subject is the particular gold that the speaker bought the day before, right? Then third number, Sachin Tendulkar is often called the Bradman of the Indian cricket. So Sir Donald Bradman was a great Australian cricketer. By putting the before Bradman, the proper noun has been turned into a common noun, meaning a great cricketer is Bradman. Thus, the sentence means that Sachin is often considered to a great cricketer like Bradman with respect to Indian cricket. Okay, now exercise number on a page number 47, the exercise number C. Exercise number C. Tick the correct forms. So whichever I have ticked already, as you can see on the screen, that are the answers. Okay, so I am reading the answers. First one, the Himalayas are covered with snow. Okay, so here we have to do tick the very first. Okay, the Himalayas are covered with snow. Second number, this only, that Mahi was the best player of the tournament. Third number, here only, that he is the Shah Rukh Khan of Hollywood. Fourth number, this one only, that the water in the tank is very hot. 5 number, this one only, we have to take that Asia is the largest continent. Then 6 number, we have to take this, that I have a new friend called Shyam. The next one, this one only, we have to take that the beauty of Cleopatra is well known. And last number, here we have to take the platinum is a rare metal. Okay, next, D number exercise, take the correct option or put a cross where article is not required to complete the sentence. Now first one, the Ramayana. Okay, the Ramayana is a sacred book of the Hindus. Okay. Second number, the Taj Mahal was built by the Shah Jahan. Is it so? Yeah, everyone. So second number, the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. So and the nothing will come in front of Shah Jahan, nothing will come. Okay, so the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Third number, the Rajdhani Express connects many cities. Okay, there are also many cities. In front of the cities nothing will come. Okay, in front of cities nothing will come. So the Rajdhani Express contains many cities. Then fourth number, an apple should be eaten every morning with breakfast. Okay, so with breakfast nothing will attach and the nothing will come. Okay, so an apple should be eaten every morning with breakfast. And five number, Sherlock Holmes had a visitor who was the stranger to him. Okay, next, E number, add a, an, or the wherever required. So we have to add a or an or the wherever it is required. So Shailesh is an intelligent. Okay, Shailesh is an intelligent boy who loves to play cricket. Shailesh is an intelligent boy who loves to play cricket. His idol is Sachin Tendulkar. He goes to the Indian Gate lawns every Sunday. Okay, so every Sunday he goes to the Indian Gate lawns every Sunday. Then he generally hires a taxi. Okay, a taxi, and pick up a friend on his way. Two boys then others, and the coach often guides them. Okay, then they are planning to play for the school team at the state level soon. Okay, so wherever it is required, I have already told to you, you just mention it. So here we have completed our chapter. So remember things you have to understand. You have to remember one things, that whichever things are there, I am just telling to you. Remember, a and an are indefinite articles, for they do not point to any specific person, object or thing. Any person or any subject or any object is always suggested by them. A is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. An is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. The is a definite article which indicates the particular thing, object or person. The can come before both singular and plural nouns. Okay, now uses of indefinite articles a and n. Okay, a number, to indicate a person or thing, may be used for anything or person. B number, to show a kind, a class or a species. C number, to show a certain quantity. D number, to show profession, rank, caste, community and religion. Articles are not used before proper noun, abstract nouns and material nouns. Okay, so dear students, here we have completed our chapter. You just do one thing, whichever exercise we have done, if the place is already there in the textbook, then you just write down in the textbook, and whichever place has not been given, you just write it down, that exercise only in the notebook. Okay, in the next video we are going to check out the next chapter. Till then, thank you, have a good day, bye bye everybody, have a nice day.